Hello students, welcome to your GSC class. So in the last some videos, okay, there we have read about our body organs, okay, the different parts of our body and how the hands and legs help us, and we also read about the sense organs. So you remember all that? Okay, very good. Then we are going to discuss about the exercise of that chapter. Okay, so let's start. You can see this picture. What is this? This is one eye. So eye help us to what? See, hear, taste. Which one is the answer? Very good. Eyes help us to see. So see is the correct answer. Then nose. You can see the picture of nose. Okay. Nose help us to taste. Nose help us to taste or hear or smell. So you know that nose help us to smell. Okay. Then you can see this picture. What is this? This is here the picture of a ear. Okay. So ear help us to see, hear or taste. Which one is the correct answer? That is ear help us to hear. Okay. Then this is your hands now, students. Okay. So hands help us to taste, hold things or walk or smell. So hands help us to hold things. Okay. Then what is this? This is your tongue. Okay. So tongue help us to smell, taste or hear. So the tongue help us to taste. Okay. So we have completed our multiple choice questions. Then we will see your true and false. Okay. So let's start. This one. See. You have to write true for the correct statement and false for the wrong statement. Okay. So let's start. We hold our book with our hands. True or false? Yes, it is true. We hold our things with our hands only. So you will write here true. Okay. Then we play football with our legs. Yes, this is also your correct statement, because we play, we jump, we walk with our legs only. Okay. So this one also your true. Okay. Then we watch TV with our eyes. This one also correct statement, because we watch everything with our eyes. Okay. So write this one also your true. Then we smell a flower with our ears. Oops, this is your wrong statement, because we smell a flower with our nose. So you will write your false here. Okay, FLSC. Then we taste chips with our nose. This is also your wrong statement. Yes, because we taste chips with our tongue. So this one also you will write false. Okay. So we have completed our true and false also. Then we will see the fill in the blanks. Okay. So let's do that one. Okay. So two options are given. You have to find the correct answer. Okay. Our legs help us to dash, clap or walk. So our legs help us to walk. Okay. Here you will write walk. Then our ears help us to walk or hear. Yes, our ears help us to hear. So here you will write. Okay. Then our nose help us to taste, smell or see. Obviously smell. So here you will write our nose help us to smell. Okay. Then Our tongue helps us to taste or smell. So yes, our tongue helps us to taste. Okay. Then our skin helps us to feel or feel. So our skin helps us to feel. Okay. Then fill in the blanks also finished. We will do the match the columns next. Okay. So see. So here 5 pictures are given, and then in the column B also 5 pictures are given. Okay. So you have to match the correct one for the correct thing. Okay. So here eye it is there, then this one nose, ear, tongue and skin. Okay. So tell me, eye, which one will be the correct match? That is your television. With the help of eyes we can watch the television. Okay. Then nose you can see. So nose, out of this 4 picture, which one will help? So students, see, this one is your perfume. So we can smell the perfume with our nose. Okay. So for nose, this one will be the correct match. Okay. Then ear. For your ear, which one will be the correct match? That is your this radio. Okay. The radio, the sound we can hear with the help of our ears. Okay. Then for the tongue. Okay. How the tongue help us? So which one will be the correct match for tongue? That is the chocolate. We can taste the chocolate or chocolate by the tongue. Okay. Then this one is your skin, it is showing here. So we can feel the cactus plant with our skin. Okay. So your match the column also finished. Again I am doing, you just see, eyes this one. Okay. Then 4 nose this one, then ear this radio, then tongue this chocolate, and this skin is your cactus plant. Okay. Understood? Then we will see we will write the question answer part. Okay. So let's do. So only 3 questions are given in this chapter. That is, what are sense organs? Which sense organ help us to see? And what do you do with our nose? Okay. So let's write the answers. So here the answers I have written for you. You just note down all this in your copy. Okay. What are sense organs? Some parts of our body help us to know the world around us. They are called the sense organ. Means they help us to know about the what is there in our surrounding. Okay, आम चारिपटे कौन अच्छी से सबू विषय जानिया पे सेंस ऑर्गन हमको हेल्प कर. ओके. देन which sense organ help us to see? That is, so you know that we see with our eyes. So you write the answer. Eyes help us to see. Okay. Then what do you do with your nose? So you know that we smell with our nose. Okay. So this is the answer. So you note down all this in your copy 2 times. Okay. And then in the next video I will ask you the questions, remember. Okay. Then in the next video, that means in next class we will start your 7th chapter. Okay. So this was for today's class. Thank you.